welcome back to my video. Last time I told you guys that I was gonna do my lash clusters and I did not. Insert clip. Anyways, let's do my lash clusters, shall we? So in this video I'm gonna show you guys how I do my lashes. This is beginner friendly. I'm gonna be using this brand. I can't really pronounce it. Like I said, beginner friendly, and it's gonna last me over a week, maybe even 2 weeks. Let's get straight into it. Well, I actually tried to start beforehand, and I was gonna start with a 16 and then end at a 14, but then I realized I need a variation. We're gonna be at 20 all the way to 14, so these lashes are gonna be pretty long. And what I mean by these numbers are like the millimeters, the mm. These are the length of the lashes. So I have the 20 lashes, right? I have the 20, and I'm gonna glue it. Perfect. Started with the other eye. Didn't come out so good because I was rushing it. I'm gonna start off with the other side for good luck. Here goes nothing. Plus, I'm a pro. I don't need good luck. Come closer. Back up. I'm gonna press it like this eyebrow razor. We just did our first lash. Don't talk about my edges. Same process. So I'm gonna speed this up if I can. I'm gonna grab another 20. And I'm gonna do the same thing, but this is gonna be the last 20 I put on this eye. After that, I'm gonna move on to 18, and then I'm gonna move on to 16, and then a 14. 2 lashes of that size, move on. 2 lashes, move on to a different size, but we have to decrease the number. Well, you can, but you wouldn't get a cat eye. So it's really 6, 7 from there. Last 20 on this eye, so that I could get like a cat eye effect. You know, people have what is this? People have told me that People have told me that I remind them of a cat. Now I don't know if that's true. You could tell me, but I think so. I think so. Maybe it is. I am a cat. I am a cat. I love it already. I'm gonna move on to 18. That's the next size.
2 hours later.
Let me squat down. Okay. So these are the lashes.